So hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to edit your photo in AI tools method. So this is a very simple steps to follow. So to know more about this video you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that PicsArt is an app for photo editing, creating colleagues, drawings, adding stickers and text. It also offers tools for enhancing images and making designs widely used for personal and professional content creation. So also now to use this app in AI tools method, so you need to simply visit your PicsArt and you need to open the PicsArt app. And now this is the very first home page of this app. As you can see, this is the very first home page of this app. So to edit that photo or video in AI in PicsArt, so you need to select the photo. To select the photo you need to just click on this option like folder icon, which is at the below the page, and you need to just select the pictures, or also you can add a picture from this plus icon. Also, as I have selected already, you can simply select this photo, and from here you can see the various options or editing options. From all of these options you need to just select the option like tools, and after that you can choose the option like AI enhance, which is at this, and this is the subscription effects. So now your photo is in process and now it's almost there, like it reduces blurs, it adds pixels and many more to your photo. And now yes, there you can see, you can just slightly slide this, and this is the before, and now you can see this is the after editing the AI enhanced photo. After applying your effects and adjusting it to your own liking, now you are ready to save or share your edited photo. Like to save or share, you can click on this option like arrow down option. Like you need to simply click on this option and your photo will be downloaded within a second. So this is how you can just edit your photo or video in AI tools. So that's how you can just edit in this PicsArt. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.